White Claw Hard Seltzer. It's a watermelon flavored. 5% even alcohol, so that's good. 100 calories? Fuck, jeez.
Watermelon, huh?
Yeah.
Another one of my lesser favorite flavors.
Smells
Right
good.
now, there's a huge trend on watermelon.
Smells watermelon-like. Tastes like watermelon.
Yeah, it does. Doesn't, yeah, I don't know. Not bad.
Nah, this is nice and light though, man.
Yeah, it's very subtle.
Yeah.
I mean, it's there. There's
Yeah, oh yeah.
no doubt about it.
But it's not like a heavy fucking beer either. You can have this with like street tacos, quesadillas, barbecue. You can go all sorts of ways with this.
You can.
Chicken.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Seafood.
Ham. Oh yeah.
Sea bass. Tuna.
Oh yeah.
Sushi.
Yep.
Salad.
Salad, yeah.
Crab cakes. Whatever.
Salad rolls would be good with this.
Salad roll would be good. Like some nice shrimp salad rolls or something. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Or some sauteed rock shrimp, you know,
Yeah.
in a salad or something.
Mm-hmm. It's go good with like little tomatoes in a salad too.
I mean, even just, like something fresh and tomatoey and some hard-boiled egg and some good cheeses in there and some bitter greens.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
Swiss cheese would go real good with it.
Smoked chicken.
Yep.
But it's watermelon-y. It's just not super potent, I guess, but it's there. Yeah, make your ice cubes with this or put this with your put watermelon in it.
Right?
Or make an electric smoothie in the morning. Pour that in there and get
an electric smoothie.
Juiced out of your mind.
Electric smoothie. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I never heard of that one.
Well, now you have.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah.
I mean, you can have several of these a day out of a cooler. If you're hanging out at the river or the park or something.
White Claw does a decent job. Their flavors are good. You know,
they're not high in alcohol.
Fairly natural tasting.